카메라가 원래 80. You stopped at a BB.
어차피 가기 전에 한번 더 넣고 출발하는 거.
들어놓아. 오 예스. 와.
오 저런데 장난 아니겠다. 전복 같은. 아니 전복.
전복? Hey boys, just arrived here. This is Betty's Beach, and yeah, it's so good, guys. Someone's sleeping here, but we're not actually camping here. We're gonna go get some fish. Let's go. Wow. Oh, God. We are currently here in our location. We've been fishing here for like pretty much the whole day, and yeah, it's good. Let's go. I just caught myself a fish. This is so sick. I haven't caught one in like 3 years. Let's go. We're currently fishing for this blue grouper. Let's go. At our lunch, we will now do some drone fishing, and that's pretty much it, guys. Let's go. This is your location, guys. Even managed to film some stuff. This is so bad. Who cares?
뭐 잡았어? 놀래미 또 잡았네. 놀래미.
보이지?
놀래미야 놀래미. 이거 가져와. 코드다 코드.
이렇게 빼야지. 이렇게 빼야지. Guys, it's so windy, you can't even hear me. Can you? Woo! Try and get some apples. 너 어디가 돼? 물에서. 오, 맞네. Yes. 왜? 좋아. 왜?
이건 좀 작아.
아이, 너무 작다.
너무 작아. 안 돼.
나
먹어도 되는 사이즈구나.
왜 같이 있어?
그렇게 큰 건 없네 확실히. 깊어. 깊어요? 여기. 야, 이 작어. 그리고 안에 이게 좀 대보니까 엄청 작아.
Just caught Abalone. That's really good. 뭐야? 오, 잡았네. 잡았어. 오, 예, 아빠 찍었다 이거. 예. That's fish. I think they're dead though. Let's just say that. But this dude's still alive. Hello everybody. I just caught about 4 fish today. I don't know what to say. As like the thing abstracting now thinking, I don't know. 2 more hours, then we're heading home. I've got the fishing rod here. Yeah. Let's go get some fish. Hey. Hey boys, I just caught another fish. It's right here. That one. This one. Yeah, that one. Let's go. 살을 넣었습니다. 저기가 비치야.